Today, we delve into the prowess of Innerscan, specializing in the rapid and seamless measurement of internal neck profile diameters. Innerscan executes a meticulous 3-point measurement, ensuring accuracy at every step. Witness the excellence. Innerscan guarantees better and faster repeatability with precision down to 0.01 millimeters, a testament to its unparalleled capabilities. Innerscan seamlessly switches between 2 interchangeable heads, ensuring efficiency with each change. Innerscan can be installed in both cold and hot environments, showcasing its flexibility. Innerscan's user-friendly design ensures ease of handling, placing precision at your fingertips. Innerscan features an advanced electrical cooling system, ensuring optimal performance even in demanding conditions. Essential for perfection. Innerscan, a must-have to guarantee the ideal fit between the neck and the core.